Hi, I'm Mike Gubby from iSeek Blinds. This Automate range of roller blind battery motors will save you from what I call a 240 volt mess. And the reason why is because they're fully rechargeable. Now there are 4 key reasons why you should consider roller blind motors for your home, and I'm about to go through them now. Reason number 1 is safety. Now, the Australian government has legislated that all chains and cords from any blind must be fitted with a child safety device, just like this one here. With a roller blind motor, there is no dangerous cord or chain. Reason number 2 is security. Now, when you bring this Wi-Fi hub into play, your blinds will go up and down automatically on their timers, so it'll make it look as though you've never left home. The next reason I want to talk about is convenience. Imagine if you had a house load of roller blinds and with a push of a button on a remote control or a command for the Wi-Fi hub, all those roller blinds will go up and down at whatever time of the day or night that you like. So reason number 4 is energy savings, which equal cost savings. To me, these roller blind motors are like fitting solar panels. You do get a payback over time. Now, in my home, with the Wi-Fi hub, at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, my roller blind motors go down when my heating turns on, so therefore I am not heating my glass. In summertime, when the western sun comes in, tries to really smash the side of the house, my sunscreen blind goes down and my blockout roller blind goes down, and sort of trying to hold that heat at bay and stop it from heating my home, and therefore running my air conditioner to the max to sort of try and cool the house down. I've put a link below to the Automate Shades website where you can look at all the technical information and all the connectivity and integration options that you've got with these roller blind motors. There's also a knowledge base, there's how-to guides, and there's everything you need to know to get set up. Now, these motors were designed in Melbourne, they're engineered in Melbourne, the app developers are in Melbourne, the technical call center is in Melbourne, and they come with a 5-year full replacement warranty if there's any issues. And of course, they're backed by me personally. If you like this information, please share, subscribe, and like, and leave any comments in the comment section, and I'll come back to you personally. Thanks for watching.